Let me show you how you can make your custom emojis on the iPad. So at first, we are going to go to the Messages app on our device, the regular Apple Messages, and we are going to be in the conversations which we have. It doesn't really matter which person you are talking to, but next to the text field, we have plus button for more options. And when you click on the plus button, a couple of different apps within the messages can be accessed. So you can access photos, camera, and so on. And one of them is gonna be the emoji, or it's called Memoji, like this. So you can see we can tap on it like this, and this gives us the selection to choose any of the animated characters and kind of like use the Face ID, the face scanner to, make the expressions and so on. But the point is that at the top in the left corner, we have the plus button. So we can literally create our own Memoji. So we tap on it like this, and now the customization process begins. So we choose the skin like this. You can go with the freckles and all of the different facial features. Once you're happy, you go to the hairstyle and you just keep on going like this, and you set it up in a way you customize your own emoji, in a sense that you created one which either represents you or it's going to be a special character you want to have on your iPad. And once you hit it done like this, it's going to be added to this section of Memoji. So again, anytime you want to access it, you'll be in the messages, you click plus and find Memoji in here, and you can position yourself into the frame like this. And you can see that I could actually record my face and my expressions through the camera and send it either as a video or a photo to someone over messages. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.